What's the meaning of adjoining? Adjoining. 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 Adjoining refers to something that is directly next to or connected to another thing. It specifically implies a physical connection, such as two rooms in a house or two pieces of land that share a boundary. When two things are adjoining, they are considered to be in close proximity and often share certain characteristics or features. For example, an adjoining room may have a similar layout or decor to the room it connects to, while adjoining properties may share access to the same road or utilities. The concept of adjoining is often used in real estate and property law to describe the relationship between different pieces of land or buildings.